Basically, this is the room that we were staying in. It's 6:30 in the morning, and as soon as you open the room, you would be able to see the complete view of Pangong Lake. This is at 6:30 in the morning. There's no sunrise. It's pretty chilly. And we're gonna go there. And can you see two colors? There's like green, blue, and then green there. And the clouds बहुत नीचे है. Ready? It's 8 o'clock. And हम लोग तैयार हो गए हैं. कोई वैसे ना आया नहीं है यहाँ पे. हाँ, except me. I took shower because I just can't do without it. But otherwise, you are suggested not to shower here, not to really, because you know your body is not used to such a cool temperature. So yeah, and the sun is not out. We are still waiting for the sun to be out. It's 8 o'clock and we're here until 10:30. आँखें नहीं खुल रही है, but sun is not out. And that's what we're wearing. अभी हम लोग जाके चाय वाय पीने वाले हैं. आई थिंक चाय इधर ही लेके आएंगे क्या? Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our new vlog, and we hope you've watched the previous vlogs to connect with this one because we are at Pangong Lake. And in the previous vlog, we did show you that we were at Pangong Lake. और अभी हम हमारे cottage के पास हैं. I mean where we were staying, and I gave you the room tour in the morning. So yeah, अभी हम लोग सिर्फ ऐसे ही walk कर रहे हैं लेक साइड क्योंकि काफ़ी ठंड है यहाँ पे. But it feels good and it's not sunny today. मतलब sun अभी तक ऊपर आया ही नहीं है.
It was actually raining since last night. रात भर बारिश हुआ इधर. टेम्परेचर इतना नहीं है, I think 5-6 होगा, बट हवा काफ़ी तेज़ है तो ठंडी लग रही है. रात भर बारिश होने से luckily we did not book a tent or a camp like sort of thing. We were in a cottage, so it was quite easy. कि रात निकल गई है.
और अभी आई एम गोना शो यू यहाँ पे कितने सारे कॉटेजेस वगैरह बने हुए हैं. एंड यू नो यू हैव वेरी इजी एक्सेस एंड ऑप्शन राइट आउटसाइड, like right opposite to the lake.
The locations are very good.
Yeah, they're very basic. You don't have a 5-star or 3-star rooms here. They're very basic, but I like really nice. So this is basically our dining hall, and we are having chai. Thanks, Joe. And that's the view. Like you can literally see the Pangong Lake right outside. So that's where it starts, and onto the right you have all the cottages and the rooms. And क्योंकि the weather is quite chilled, look at the clouds.
रात में इधर स्नोफॉल भी हुआ है. I mean not जहाँ मैं वहाँ पे, but quite close to this. So we are hoping to see.
That's how our room is. We're just checking out. But before that, I would show you. This is how the room was. It's pretty basic, and there's the washroom. We are finally near the Pangong.
ये सब wow, that's very far.
We have found one marmot finally. Hi. Hello. Hello. We used to see these kind of places a lot on Instagram. So they basically look like this, and obviously बहुत differently captured किया होता है तो अलग दिखती है. And there you see a lot of horses. This is on the way from Pangong to Leh. ऊपर नीचे है पूरा bumpy grass.
नहीं आगे और आएगा.
लेफ्ट राइट सब जगह स्नो है. वाओ.
उठो उठो पब्लिक.
What's up guys, we are on the way from Pangong to Changla and we found snow. It was snowing last night and it's like real fresh snow. And इस side तो ठीक है थोड़ा कम है, इस side में बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is our second snow experience.
एक साल के अंदर.
एक साल के अंदर. So our target was to go to a place where it's snowing every year. Okay? And seems like we're fulfilling it.
So we are at 16,121 feet above the sea level. We are at Changla and look at the view.
It's
And यहाँ पे अभी snowfall भी हो रहा है. We are so
It's
excited.
snowing. I don't think camera can capture that, but it's snowing.
I will
It's
see.
completely snowing. You enjoy. We are at a cafe. यहाँ पे गरम मैगी खा रहे हैं, which doesn't feel hot at all. Everybody is happy, cheering, and it's snowing out. इसमें से धुआं निकल रहा है अभी. ठीक है, give me a bite. Feels nothing.
तो देखो और बीच में से निकाल रहा हूँ.
The most unique Rakhi experience ever.
ये किसकी
Come,
है?
bro. Woohoo! Our first snowfall.
Rakhi.
Rakhi.
Snowfall.
Next to the beach.
Yeah. I hope we have such adventures every year. Yeah! Woo!
Ready? गाना रो. एक बात बताओ तो यादों में मरते हो. अच्छा मोहब्बत करते हो.
Yes, so we just found this random garden, flower garden in Leh. And we stopped by and it's got really pretty flowers. Such pretty flowers. I don't even know the name of half of them. And we found muskmelon in this garden. It's smelling amazing. Can you see this? Like so many. Everywhere. We also have watermelon. Sitting in this cute cafe, and since we have the network back, look at people. I mean, what? Honey chili potato yes.
क्या कुकरे कुकरे क्या कुरमानी
Khubani. Khubani.
हमारे anniversary people
It's our last day in Leh और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं डिनर के लिए with the wedding couple. The street is still lit. It's 9:30 but it's still lit. And आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा रहा. We had snow. We had so much fun. And since it's already 9:30, we're not even sure if we would get food. But we are hoping that we would get food. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हाईली सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है. But अभी तक तो street पूरा खुला हुआ है. Of course Rohi had to come.
हाँ मैं थोड़ा पीछे था क्योंकि कल हम लोग सब जा रहे हैं ना तो सबको
Main market in the night from Il Forno Cafe, from where we just had food. It's about 12 o'clock in the night. Hi guys, what's up? We've just had our dinner to one of the finest cafe in Leh main market, which we didn't know about before, but we got to know when we were leaving Leh the last day.
I mean सब लास्ट टाइम हमारा डिनर होने के बाद हम लोग ने ना ऐसे ही उधर पेस्ट्रीज ट्राई की थी तो काफी
Walnut
सही-
cake,
हाँ,
not walnut, carrot cake
हाँ,
and something else. Apricot.
apricot right
Yeah, it was really nice. So we are so yeah, we've just had our food there and it was nice. And yeah, that's it
This
from
is-
this series. This has been like one of the
Exactly,
best
it was one of the
best trips.
best
And we
trips.
really hope that you enjoy all the content that we've put together. We have
आ
a
जाओ।
guest. So that's it from this series. We are standing in Leh main market right now, and today is our last day, and we are, Delhi airport का situation अभी बहुत खराब है,
बारिश की
and we are
वजह
just
से।
hoping कि कल हमारा flight हमें मिल जाए. That is on
क्योंकि
12
जो फ्लाइट
September.
से हम लोग एक्चुअली कल जा रहे हैं वो आज कैंसिल हो गई थी यहाँ से सो वी आर डेफिनेटली होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट एंड वी आर वेरी मच एक्साइटेड टू बी बैक टू हैदराबाद एज ऑलवेज क्योंकि लास्ट डे ऑफ द ट्रिप ना हम बहुत एक्साइट हो जाते हैं हैदराबाद जाने के लिए
Yeah, and the Leh main market would remain really special. In fact, the whole trip will remain very special to us. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching all our vlogs. Thank you so much for supporting us. And we really hope that these vlogs were helpful and enjoyable for you. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you next time.